Jordan, first and foremost, many congratulations. First time in 7 years, the club's now back in the Gynghrair Premier.
Yeah, when obviously I've been here now, this is my third season, and the club said to me they wanted us to finish in the top 4 this year. So although we are where we are in the league, obviously we've achieved what we wanted to achieve, but now I think it would be a big disappointment if we didn't go on to win it. So the job's not done, and we won't celebrate until the final whistle's blown.
All depends now on the licensing panel in a month's time, but no doubt you'll be preparing for next season in the Gynghrair Premier.
Yeah, let's hope so. The club's done a lot of work off the pitch, the board of directors and the volunteers, to make sure that we're up to standard, and us as staff have made sure that we are, from a footballing point of view, off the pitch, ready to go as well. So it's something that the club needs to. This club should be in the Welsh Premier League, and hopefully we can get ourselves ready to go and compete in that league.
Caddy, first of all, many congratulations. The club are now back in the Gynghrair Premier League.
Yeah, tremendous achievement. It was the goal from the start, really, to get promotion, and to wrap it up today. Yeah, brilliant. These lads in here, the work rate and the desire that they have, and the honesty all these players have. It's a pleasure to honestly play with them, and it's what keeps me going. So to be able to play tonight in a big game and do the business, pick up 2 goals and help the team win, it's really good.
You're 37 now. Can you do another season in the Gynghrair Premier?
Well, listen, I'm for sure going to give it another go, yeah. I've really enjoyed my time at the football club. They've done a lot for me, so I feel it only right to give it one more crack.